uh, where do we put the images? I'm so skeptic. Maybe because since this is just standalone blog, it does not even have a click and go there. So let's put profile pictures, okay? And what we do here is, by here we'll put a profile picture of the blogger and his name, okay? And then at the bottom, share, like, comment, edit and delete, okay? So while registering, we'll be doing this. While he's registering, we see how a profile picture can be uploaded, saved it, and does all stuff. Alright, so let's see. Now let's navigate to our folder here. I'm gonna add a new folder to our blogger. So new folder. Oops, not to the blogger. Yeah, new folder, and I'll call it as images. Okay. Again, inside images, I'll make a folder. Okay, or let that be. No need of it. Okay, so I made a folder called images. So all the images will be storing in that folder. Okay, so how do we store? This is the format how we store. So most of the people, what they do actually is they try to store the image name into database. Okay, but what I really do is I don't store the image name. I don't have to waste the memory over there. Instead, what I do is, like, I'll save the image with his ID or with his or her ID, right? Is it sufficient? Like, because ID is unique no matter whatever it is. Okay, so, and profile pictures, I don't want to maintain a list of profile pictures like Facebook does. Since it's a blogger application, you upload the latest profile picture will be coming there. Okay, so I'll be saving the image with his or her ID. As soon as you are registering, it will be generated an ID, so that image will be saved using ID. Okay, so even before that, let's do one more thing. Let's write it as a separate function and then come back here and implement it. Okay, so there I won't be saving with ID. I'll be supplying these fields. Let's see. Okay, so what I do here is in htdocs, so here, and I'll be uploading this code to image uploader. Okay, here it comes. So let's start writing a file. So here, htdocs, image uploader, open it. Okay, here it is. So here, doc type, HTML, head, body. So inside the head, let's write a title. So this will be image uploader. So that is it. Inside the body, we have to write a form. Okay, a form. So that form will go into a div, class container, and top. Alright, so let's write here one more div, class equal to, I'll say img. So here what I do is img, or let that be okay, let that be, and here div class equal to uploader. So this is the form uploader. So inside which I'll be writing my form. What is the method here? Method is post, and action, let the action be self. I want to submit it to the same file. Okay, I don't want to open it, or okay, let's do it in a different file. So here img process.php. okay, so img underscore process.php, then enc type, this is important again, enc type multi-part slash form data. So that is it. If the form will be having a name, now I won't be writing a name here, but if you are doing validations, that's important. So input type equal to file, name equal to image. Okay, and most probably that, yeah. Then here, so what I want to do here is I'll take a name here, input type equal to text, name equal to, so this is the folder name. So we create a folder, or we create a folder for every user, let's say, because I want to store it as multiple formats. I want to store a thumbnail, I want to store a icon image, I want to store a big image. Okay, so let's do that thing, so that creating a folder is a better option in that case. And placeholder equal to enter the folder name. Okay, and a br, again here input type equal to submit, name equal to submit, value equal to upload. Alright, so this is it. Let's save this. Where is this image uploader? So here let's call this as image.php. okay, and we have image process, so let's give proper name, image underscore process.php. so let's write that file too. So that file is simple file. Here I gotta check if is set off if the form is submitted. So how do I check the form is submitted? It's post, and as soon as it is submitted, it will what's the name of the form? Name of the form is submit. Okay, it will generate this variable if this is submitted. Now this is the folder. Okay, I'll say echo pre and print underscore r. Okay, let's see dot underscore files and echo pre. Let's see. So this is image underscore process.php. Oops. So yeah, this is right. So let's go ahead and see our form there. So here localhost image underscore uploader. Okay, this is the file. So let's do some basic styling. So because I don't like if it's not styled, that's the reason in every class I'll be styling this. So let's extend the class by 30 minutes. I'll be finishing in 30 minutes. Okay, so let's go to CSS, create rule, or maybe let's do this. So here I'll say style dot container dot top. Oops. And what else? Dot img dot uploader. Okay, and dot not dot input type equal to submit. Okay, and input type equal to file. I don't know, I have not styled this. Input type equal to file and input type equal to text. So these are the styles we are supposed to write now. So let's see if we can write directly here. Yeah, so for container it's margin 0 pixel auto. Okay, and the width will be, let's say, 50% maybe, or more than that. Yeah, 50% is okay. And for top, the margin top is, let's say, 50 pixel, works fine. And no styling for image for now. Let's see. And for uploader, what I want to do here, I'll apply a background CCC and a width 70% and a padding maybe 10 pixel, or let's decrease the width to this much maybe. So let's do it for 50%. Okay, the padding is fine, and let's do a margin here, margin left, let's say 10 pixel. No, actually no need. Okay, that sounds fair. Now coming to the submit, padding 10 pixel, less than that. Okay, background hash 00, let's take 9. Okay, that's fair. And border width 0 pixel. Okay, and let's give a margin of 10 pixel, sounds fair. And let's give a width of 20% or 33%. So yeah, this is important. It may be boring, okay, but it's important. Okay, I can't say much about that. So let's say width 100%, there's no change. Maybe, I don't know, because I have not styled this file, so let's remove that. And for this, coming here, padding 10 pixel and width, oops, width 100%, less than that. Yeah, great. Margin 10 pixel, margins working. Maybe margin is working. Let's see if padding works too. No. Okay, so that's it. Let's not style much of that there. So I copied it, I come here and I'll paste it here. That is it. Okay, I'll refresh this to see what's happening there. Everything looks cool, and let's see if the file is getting uploaded. So let's take this file. Okay, and I'll say the folder name is the same as the file name, let's say, and upload. See here the file. Okay, the file is coming as, this is the name I have given for the file field, this is the name of the image, this is the type of the image, and this is the temporary location of the image. So what happens is, as soon as you upload a file, it should store somewhere, right? Because it's a file on the server side. So in server it stores in the temp file. In the temp file it's storing the file there. Is there any error? There is no error. 0 means there is no error. And the size is 19796 bytes, which comes to or bits, I'm sorry, bits or bytes. Let's just check it. We'll figure it out now itself. So maybe bytes, KB, yeah, it's, yeah, bytes. Okay, so it's 19.796 KB. Okay, so bytes. So you get all the information out there. Now what we are supposed to do, it's plain and simple. This is how you do it. So here, instead of printing, okay, I'll just close this and open, so that, no, yeah, here. So now what is it? First thing is validation. We have to validate it. So for that, what I'll do here is allowed types. This is an array which will have all the allowed types of the images, only images. So the allowed types are, this. Okay, copied it. Okay, comma. Then it will be PNG, and then it will be JPG. JPG and JPEG are the same, but sometimes they get uploaded differently, and GIF file. So only these files are allowed. So how do I check? Now what I do here is I'll put it everything into for each $_ files of the file name image as $img. So this is the whole image now. Now I'll get the image name. So how do I get the image name? I go back here. Image name is $image of name. This is the image name. Okay, image type, $image source. So when I say source, it's a temporary location. Okay, image tmp underscore name. Okay, I don't need size. Let the size be okay, because if you need size, because sometimes people try to upload a very big file, so restrict them. Instead of moving the files here and there, restrict them even before the process starts. Okay, so I don't want that first. Now I have all this information. So image, I have image name, image type, and image source. Now what I do here is if in underscore array. Okay, if in underscore array $allowed type, comma $image type. If this matches only, if the allowed types, the image type is present inside the allowed types, do that. Else echo image, only images are allowed, because that is images are allowed. Okay, so let me just something do here, $x equal to, just to see. Okay, so let's try to upload a different file here. So coming here, instead of image, what I do here is I'll upload a HTML file. Okay, I'll say upload. Oh, okay. Okay, let this be image itself. And we made a mistake here. The first thing should be the needle. So let's do it again. So check HTML. I'll say upload. Illegal name. Oh, what's wrong? It's right here, only images are allowed, but there's something else there. Okay, image name, type, temp name, error, size. Looks fair. So let's do this thing. So I just commented out this. It's printing out pretty good. Okay. It's coming here and it's printing directly this. It's not printing the keys there. That's okay. We won't use for each. Okay, let's just put that aside for a second, and instead of this, what I do here is I'll use the directly $_ files. Okay, so I'll comment out this, I'll copy this and let's paste this here. So let's see now. Go back, click upload, undefined variable image. Where are you, image? Okay, here. So upload, only images are allowed. Okay, I'll try to upload. As soon as I upload this, okay, let's just print this. Let's just print saying echo uploaded, let's say. So I'll just use an image here, the same one. I'll say you see uploaded. Okay, I'll try to upload a PNG here. This is the PNG and upload, it says uploaded. Okay, so that means, yeah, the validation part is done. Okay, now the next part is how do we do it. So here what I want to do here is I want the folder name to be created. The folder name is inside our post variable, which is folder. This is the name of the folder. Then I have to define the path, right? Where should I store this? Okay, I have to store this in I'll create a folder here outside called images. So every time it has to go to that only. So what I do here is $path is images, okay, slash dot $folder. So this is the path. So instead of calling it path, I'll call it as destination, image destination, let's say. Okay, so this is image destination. So what is the first thing it's supposed to do? It has to create a folder over there. So for that we have to check if the folder exists already or not. If it does not exist already, create one, else just move that into that folder. Just go into that folder and save the file. So for that we have a function called file_exists. File_exists. Okay, and we have to give this. Okay, so let me just pull this after this. So if the file exists, do your stuff. Okay, so instead of checking for file exists, I'll check for if the file does not exist. If the file does not exist, what I'm supposed to do, I have to make a directory here. Oops, I have to make that directory there. So I'll just give this here. Okay, so I have to make a directory here. So the next is normal. If the folder exists, it won't go here. Okay, it will directly come here. And here now we have a function called move_uploaded_file. The file name. The file name is nothing but the source. The source is image source. And the next is image destination. And that's it. Done. As simple as that. Let's see if the image is going there or not. So what I do here is I'd say I click this. Okay, I'll say upload. Okay. So image destination is this, right? So we have to give the file name here. Okay, so the file name is here. So my bad. Dot this. My bad. I'm sorry. So let's check it again. Maybe it has created the folder here. See, it has created the folder. So I just want to delete this. I've deleted it. Okay, let's go back here and click upload. Okay, it has been uploaded there. So let's see if it is uploaded there or not. You see this? It has uploaded this file. Right? So as soon as it uploads, what I want to do here is I want to just redirect location to where image.php. Okay, I want to redirect. So redirect and show the image here, the uploaded image here. So even before that, I will just check. Oh, how do I check this? Fine. So here $_session, I'll just start a session image. I'll just copy the path, just the path. So where is the path now? The path is this. Okay, even before that I have to say session_start. Okay, so if the session exists, if is set of $_session of image, let's say, if that exists, then only print the image. So here what I do is img src equal to, what is the src? The src is nothing but it's a session variable here. Echo $_session of image. Alright, so that is it. So I'll just delete again. Okay, I have deleted everything there. Let's come back here and just click on this, browse. I click this guy. The folder name is again Bremi, I say. Okay, I'll say upload. So let's see what happens. Oh, there is some error there. Oh, it has come here, but it did not. The reason is the session is image. Okay. Oh, I did not say the session_start there. Okay, my bad. See that? If you don't say it, it won't start the session. Alright, so let's see. The session is there, but the image is not there. So let's see, src equal to images. Okay. Image name. Let's go here. Okay, the image name is there, but why is not showing up? Okay, let's do this. Let's upload one more picture here. Okay, what do you upload? Upload this, some question, it says. So question, and upload it. Okay, it's coming here. It's coming right here, right? See that? So it uploaded it and it has come. Alright, so that is that easy to upload files in PHP and store them. Now let's go back and see for our application how to store. I know it's pretty straightforward. So can you try, Taufik, how to do it? Okay, I'll tell the process how to do it. and submit them back. That's what. If not, you're done. Okay, so I'll say assignment. I'll give this assignment its entire flow. The flow is like this. While registration, I'll make the file available to. While registration, okay, ask for file upload. Okay, ask for file upload and all the fields, first name, last name, email, password, confirm password, everything. Ask for file upload, save it in database, the details, return the ID. Okay, so after you return the ID, now what you should do here is inside this move underscore uploaded underscore file, right? We have source is a temporary, and in destination what you're supposed to do is, okay, destination will be like this. We have images folder, create a directory with his ID, and in that, okay, just save it as profile. So now the destination is this. Okay, don't use any extensions, .jpg, .png, any extensions, just do this. Okay, you have to create a directory with this ID, okay, and say move underscore upload underscore file. If the directories already exist, no need, directly give this destination. I hope you can do this, or else we see it tomorrow. Let's do that in a neat and clear way, and we'll see how we can scale images, how we can reduce the sizes of the images, how we can crop the images. Maybe that's useful. And I'm planning to take a class on Facebook integration. I don't know, I'll be asking people tomorrow. Everybody will be getting an email for saying an yes. Facebook, like, you know, login. You log in, you pull information from Facebook and put it there. Okay, so if majority of them say okay, I will go. If they say okay, no, and they will say okay. I know they'll say okay. I know they'll say okay. But yeah, let's see. Because I need response. If no response, I cannot seriously work for serious. So this assignment will be available, and that Blogger application will be available. The database file will be available, and even this particular folder will be available too. Okay, yeah, let's see. So feedback, sharing, and what about your friends, Taufik? You said your friends will be joining, right?